The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display. It's a 120Hz LTPO display with a resolution of 1440 by 3088, and it's protected by Gorilla Glass Victus. The display is brighter and more accurate than last year, with a peak brightness of over 2000 nits, and this time we've got a flat display with even bezels all round. Now the frame is also made of titanium, and it's available in a choice of titanium black, titanium grey, titanium violet or titanium yellow. On the front we've got a 12-megapixel punch-hole camera for the selfies, and then on the rear it's a quad camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, a 50-megapixel telephoto with 5x optical zoom, and then a 10-megapixel telephoto with 3x zoom. Now the Galaxy S24 Ultra supports the S Pen, and it also comes housed inside the bottom of the phone, and it's running One UI 6 based on Android 14. The S24 Ultra is also coming with new AI features to improve day-to-day tasks as well as photography. Now all versions of the S24 Ultra are going to be powered by the new Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 from Qualcomm, and this means that we get better performance and graphics over the previous model. And then when it comes to storage, we get a choice of up to 1TB of storage and up to 16GB of RAM. It's powered by a 5000 mAh battery with wireless and reverse wireless charging, and thanks to a more efficient chipset, the battery life is better than ever. We also get an improved fast charging speed of up to 50 watts. Now we get plenty of connectivity thanks to 5G, Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 7, ultra-wideband and of course Samsung DeX. And the official launch is coming on the 17th of January in San Francisco, and it's expected to start from $1,250.